Hello everybody, this is Nora, and yes, I am back to back with videos here because I had a huge nail mail today. But I'm super excited because I have brand new plates from Beauty Big Bang to review for you. But this video is only going to be about me giving you a sneak peek of these stamping plates. I believe I counted 6 of them. And maybe take a vote as to which ones you would like to see first, and maybe I can go in that order. So let me show you. Wow, these are so pretty. So first off, let me show you how they came. Okay, so we are used to seeing them in these little cardboard sleeves, but they came very nicely wrapped inside these plastics. Isn't that not nice? So keeps the sleeve, the cardboard sleeves, nice and safe and clean. So I wanted to show you that very quick, but I'm going to go ahead and remove them all from the plastic bags and then show you the images on each one of them. Alright, so here they are, all out of the plastic bag. And guys, these are to continue their XL, their extra large collection of stamping plates. And extra large is when to use, you've seen before, the images in these, the full nail images in these stamping plates are large. They're more than large enough to accommodate much longer nails than mine, okay? But so I went ahead and put them in order. Let's see, I started out with, as far as this one is, yes, so Beauty Big Bang XL011. Here's the sleeve right here, gorgeous flowers. And so this one consists, and I'm going to, you can see how they do come with a protective blue film. And this one, oh, it's gorgeous. It's got beautiful butterflies, flowers. So this one kind of has a, I'll say a spring/summer theme to it. Oh, hopefully this is focused. Check out this image right here, the tree, and I'm sorry, let's see, okay, and this one, the face of the lady there, gorgeous plate, okay, and so that one is 011. Let's go to the next one. The sleeve might give you a hint of what you might see, and yes, I remember looking at this one, 012, XL012. Owls. If you are an owl fan, you cannot miss this plate. I mean, you even have an owl tree. Look at that. How beautiful are those images? Okay, let's move on. Now these two, look how interesting. Wouldn't they make just the perfect Valentine gifts? Huh? Beautiful. Oh, your love, be mine. They are super cute. So this one here, the Be Mine, is the XL013. And this one, yes, I have a cold, you guys. Yeah, summer allergies, go figure. So this one, you have lots of kitties and some doggies. And it's like a dog. Oh, I thought he was, it looks like he's got a birthday hat. And right in front of his bowl, I thought he had a birthday cake there. But in this image, it's huge. This is one image. Look how large that is. See how large these images are compared to my nails? So if you have these right here, these are cats. Okay, so yeah, cats and dogs. I know they've had one of these before. And then the You Are Love. This is another cute one. 014. Panda bears, you guys. Another cute theme that a lot of people are into. So adorable. So cute. So yeah, check out the panda bears right there. And then the next one, another beautiful sleeve with the purple flowers. This one is 015. Lays and flowers. More lays. Check them out. So for all those girly girls, do some gorgeous nail designs. And last but not least, this one, see the sleeve, geometric. Yeah, kind of like those. You can do some psychedelic geometric, your optical illusion designs right here. Check them out. Look at those patterns. Look how large again these are. And these are full nail patterns. So awesome, awesome designs, the awesome plates. Thank you, Beauty Big Man, for sending me this nice nail mail surprise. And these, I'm looking forward to playing with these. So let's take a vote. Which ones would you like to see first? So I can start playing with them and give you some swatches and design ideas. I think I have them all out right here. I'm missing one. So yeah, let's yeah, tell me what you would be interested on first, and I'll try to jump on those. So thank you guys. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.